Hello everybody, welcome back.
What we are going to be doing in this video is we're going to be looking at what a gear change can do for a vehicle, what it does with quarter mile time. So join us as we talk about that, and we get to go racing. Today I am joined with Meray and little fuzziness here. Who is this?
Sage.
Sage. So anyway, what we're doing is we took out what gears?
323s.
So 323s are a gear set that is made more for mileage on a highway, higher speed stuff. Not the best for drag racing. And we put in a set of
375s.
No, 373s, which is very close, but that doesn't matter. Anyway, a friend of mine, he actually dropped off another truck, and they called it the dog truck. So anyway, I'll leave that story alone. We'll show you a picture of that truck. It's in worse shape than this. So anyway, it had the gear set that I put into here, and so I'm really happy we got that truck. So the fastest this truck run was with you running it?
1588.
So it made a 1588 quarter mile time. And we always have to take into account the weather, all that kind of stuff. And so the weather was pretty good. I raced it another weekend. It had some stuff in it and whatever. And the fastest I got out of that was a 1592 when it got dark and the weather got really good. So we know that roughly, even though weather changes and stuff, what this truck will run. So we're going to take it to the racetrack. And what did you think about driving it with the new gear set in it?
I think it's much better.
Yeah, so before we could load it up, no problem. The converter is wrong in this thing. We could load it up to 2,000 RPM and it wouldn't spin the tires. What happened now when you tried doing that?
Now you have to really press the brake pedal because it just spins.
So it definitely feels different. And so we're going to see what it does in the quarter mile time. I'm going to guess, but you guess first. What do you think it'll run?
Oh, I don't even know.
Just guess. Doesn't matter. I guess 17 seconds on the first time.
That's right. I don't know, like 1570 something. I don't know.
Sure, that's awesome. I was going to guess a 15.5. So the next videos you're going to see on this, we will be at the track, and Meray is hopefully, as long as she's still feeling good, going to be the pilot of this unit.
Yeah.
It's super windy, so I hope you can hear me. They are prepping the track up. It's power to the pavement weekend, but we're here early, getting ready to run down the track. Track is nice and sticky. People are lining up. Probably wouldn't need a burnout, but we're doing them anyway. All right, we're at the racetrack, and proof's in the pudding. The gear change did a lot for this. One day we'll be putting a converter in it, and we'll see how much more that does, but we might end up with some serious tire spin. We're not sure. Anyways, it's looking good, but there are some other things that could be playing into what's going on. What do you think? I'll repeat what you're saying.
The air density.
Yeah, the density altitude is 2,600 and some feet, which we never see here. Normally it's around 4,000. What was it last races? Do you remember roughly?
36.
Yeah, 36 or 37. So some time got picked up because the air is better. but we picked up a lot changing the gears. So anyway, that was successful. Converter hopefully is next. We're probably going to do an intake. Well, I don't know, we'll do some other things to the truck. Hopefully he'll join us to see those changes. The track this year is shutting down early, so I don't know how many track passes we're going to do, but maybe we'll see some differences on the dyno if we do some engine work, something like that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe.